It would be very helpful if you first try to solve the problem yourself before watching this video.
Question 106. Find the derivative of the function. We have y is equal to 1 over 2x squared minus cosine x. Okay, we're going to rewrite this function. That's 1 over 2 times 1 over x squared, right? So 1 over 2 times 1 over x squared can be written as x to the power of negative 2 minus cosine x, right? So that is equal to, well, if constant is multiplied, we leave it alone, right? Leave this one alone and, apply the power rule to find the derivative of this expression. So that's going to be 1 over 2 times negative 2x, subtract 1 from negative 2, so negative 3, right? And derivative of cosine is what? It's negative sign, right? So negative times negative sign. So that is equal to, here 2 cancels out. So that's negative x to the power of negative 3. X to the power of negative 3 is 1 over x cubed, right? So negative 1 over x cubed. And negative times negative gives us positive. So plus sine x, right?